It's the magic of math here, and today we're talking roots and exponents, where we're going to simplify a cube root and then square it. Here we go. Our question today is, what is the value of this expression? And we're given, in parentheses, the cube root of 64 squared. And you're given 4 possible answer choices to choose from. So here's where you pause the video, you do your best work, determine your answer, and then come back to see my work. Good luck. Welcome back. So, as a reminder, we're finding the value of this expression right here. So the first thing I want to do when we're doing order of operations, because I have a lot going on here, I have a cube root, I have a square, so we're going to start inside the parentheses. So I'm going to consider the fact that I have the cube root of 64. So when I want to evaluate or simplify the cube root of 64, I want to know what factors of 64 multiplied by itself 3 times equals 64. So when I do that, I know that I have the cube root of 4 times 4 times 4. 4 times 4 is 16. 16 times 4 is 64. So this product of 3 4s is 64. The cube root of 64 is going to be 4. So now I have my cube root simplified. The cube root of 64 is 4. And now I have 4 squared, which is 4 times 4, which is 16. And that is answer choice D. So that is how you evaluate or find the value of this expression. We found the cube root of 64, and then we squared that value. And thanks for joining me today as we learned about roots and exponents. We've evaluated a cube root and then squared the value. And that's the magic of math, where we continue to master math one video at a time. I hope you come back soon and have a great day.